I hate Nashi.
I spent the like 10. I got the pipe in, gon' spin a block, no typing. I just want the face like we Skyping. Can't cut no hoe, they be trifling.
Big Savage in the building, the grind don't stop unless it kill me. I already know. Welcome to the Savage Nation. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe on the way in. Today I'm gonna be talking about Spreadshirt and some things that you might want to know. So without further ado, let's get it in. Alright, so here we go. I made my way to the Savage Nation Spreadshirt, and just a few things that I want to show anybody before they come and make a purchase. Right now, currently got 15% off, 3 days left. So if you want to redeem that, you know where to go. Hit that button right there, you should be all good. So it's a lot of customization options. I mainly just want to show this for the people that don't know. Some people I know went to the site on their phone and it might have looked a little different, but essentially you can do the same thing. When it comes to each logo and each design that I have, you are able to customize it to the best of your abilities, and I don't want people to not know about this. So let's a quick little run through right here. As far as adding text and adding more than one of my logos, you can do that. All you have to do is, before you purchase anything, hit the customization tool. As you can see on the left side, you got designs, you can add text, and at the bottom you can pretty much pick where you want to add these extra things. Now it will change the price of that item once you start adding new things, but depending on what you want, it might be a little, might be a lot. If you would like to change the design itself and make it bigger, smaller, whatever, you just click on it, then they'll give you a little resize space and you can control where you have it, how big it is. Now for this design right here, I already got it maxed out, so you feel me, it won't let me go any bigger, but I can go smaller if I want to. But I just max it out at the biggest. Then I put it right here in the chest. That's where I would get if I was to order this one. So I just wanted to let everybody know how to navigate and how to do this, because it was a few people that didn't even know they can do this and they already made their orders. Now they're still happy, but I just don't want anybody in the future to be unhappy. So I had to get this out there for y'all. I appreciate everybody coming through. Nice and quick one. Shout out to the Savage Nation. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.
I hate Nashi.
I spent the like 10. I got the pipe in, gon' spin a block, no typing. I just want the face like we Skyping. Can't cut no hoe, they be trifling.